Good morning, Mossy Creek. This is Mctv. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Your weather today is going to be partly sunny with a high of 71 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 22 degrees Celsius. Our character word for May is determination, and today it says, "The tale of the tortoise and the hare is a great story of determination. In this story, the hare is very confident of winning, so it stops during the race and falls asleep. The tortoise continues to move very slowly but without stopping, and finally it wins the race. Despite its speed, the tortoise was determined to finish what it started, and in this tale, he won the race." Here is your last character video for the year.
Hey kids, I'm Lawson, and this thing is, I don't know. My iPod crashed and my mom told me I could use this thing instead. Alright. Hey Mom, how am I supposed to run while Right. Now, you may be wondering why someone as fit and as awesome as me needs to train. Well, I need to be in tip-top shape to tell you this story that I heard from my gym teacher's cousin who has this girl in her class named Lucy. Lucy and her friend Kaylee are pretty good at exercising their mouths more than anything else, especially when the teacher's talking. So they see everybody going towards the track, and Lucy's like, "What did I miss? Oh my gosh." And Kaylee tells her that Miss Ryan was just saying the whole class is running a 5K and they're going to train together. And Lucy is like, "Wait, rewind." Miss Ryan says the 5K is to raise money for kids who don't have safe water to drink, and they can have sponsors donate money to help. And Lucy's like, "Oh my gosh, that's a piece of cake, right?" Like, totally. Lucy's connected online to like her gazillions of aunts and uncles and neighbors, dogs, hairdressers, and she asks them all to donate because she is going to run this whole 3.1 mile race without stopping to walk, while holding her breath, and while doing the chicken dance. And within a few minutes, her friends and family have donated like $159.06 million. So, she and Kaylee train really, really hard every day, all the way up to race day. The starter goes off, and Lucy flies like the wind. But then, it gets hot. Like, really hot. And Lucy starts to sweat a lot. Buckets! And all she wants to do is quit and lie down in the grass, but then she remembers the kids who don't have safe drinking water and how she promised she would finish the race. So, she focuses on moving ahead, one step at a time. And then, like 5 days later and 600,000 minutes, she sees the finish line. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. So kids, I want you to remember this. Sometimes a fanny pack is a good idea. And sometimes it's not. But it's always a good idea to choose determination, deciding it's worth it to finish what you started. See you guys next time. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
All right, we have one birthday to celebrate today. Mr. Jacob Sims is a 5th grader in Miss Edwards' class. Happy birthday, Jacob. And if you have a June birthday, Miss Whitaker is going to call your name out right now. So if you're a June birthday, this is for you. Elijah White, Damian Gibby, Braden Nicholson, Preston Young, Daniel Pruitt, Paisley Duckworth, Juan Monteroso, Camden Hudson, Mallory Woodruff, Zachary Anderson, Jackson Burris, Asia Brown, Zayden Nicely, Stephanie Hernandez, Rudy Martin, Parker Vickery, Lillian Hames, Adeline Kendall, Noah Durden, Hunter Moyers, Weston Loggins, and Ashton Glass. Happy summer and happy birthday to you guys. I also have a results. So these are the students who met their AR goal for the fourth 9 weeks. And talk about determination. These guys got it done without any, they were determined. They were determined to finish what they started. Usually we're at school and the teachers have a weekly goal or try to keep you up and try to keep you going. We were at home. And aside from Miss Whitaker's reminders, you didn't have that weekly goal to kind of keep you in check. So I don't have a lot of people, but good job and great determination from these folks. All right, this is a first grader, Miss Campbell's class. Maddie Grace Funk met her AR goal. Good job, Maddie. In Miss Attaway's class, Ashlyn Addis, Landon Fountain, Angel Garcia. In Miss Filial's class, Reed Murphy. In Miss Skelton's class, Weston Loggins. In Miss Kane's class, Stephanie Hernandez. In Miss Fuller's class, Pierce Armstrong and Coleman Dockery. In Miss Loden's class, Harper Murphy and Audrey Whitaker. In Miss Edwards' class, John Bunch, Emma McMahon, Arun Veach. And in Miss Fowle's class, Cameron Fountain and Elijah Triplett. All right, just an extra little shout out. Third grader Harper Murphy, she read 81.5 points just in this semester. Wow. Excellent job. Excellent. She's an excellent reader. Her brother and Elijah Triplett were the next highest points with 30 and 35 points this semester. So very good, guys. I'm impressed that you kept reading and did all that kind of independently on your own. Very good job. Remember that it is still, I think field day is still going on. I think Coach Nix is going to add a couple more events today. Today might be the last day, so check on that the Flex Friday website and see what the games are today. Add them to your list, add them to your points, and have fun. All right, happy Wednesday. 2 more days. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.